It's Bonnie. Happy Monday. I am back. We got a lot to talk about tonight. We're going to do Jolly Gingerbread Village. I did like a whole tryout on this again because I'm like, I need to figure this set out. We're going to talk about the shower gel, which actually is almost gone in my shower. I have another one of these. The mist and the cream. I actually don't have the lotion. I got to get the lotion, but you know what I'm waiting for? Oh my goodness, you guys. We got to talk about the big Bath and Body Works sale that is coming up this weekend, 11/11. Thank you so much to Jason and Tess, Life Inside the Page, for sharing this information out. So this is actually interesting because usually what Bath and Body Works does is they do a big lotion sale, like sometime in November. It's usually $3.95, which it is for this week. So lotions are going to be $3.95. This is the pre information I'm getting, and the creams should be $4.95. Online, you'll probably have to use a code. They always put the code online. I wouldn't be surprised if they did the free shipping on 50. They've been doing that a lot lately. In store, we don't know if we're going to have a code yet. I kind of doubt it because it's such a big event. It would be kind of hard to do the code. I don't think there's going to be a code. So the thing is, I think maybe we'll be able to use, if we have them, the 20% off coupon. So on $3.95, that would bring you down to $3.16. On $4.95, that would bring you down to $3.96. So we'll see if the coupons are able to be used. So what does this include? So for the lotion, it's going to include these. These are the body lotions from Bath and Body Works. And yeah, these are the really good deal. The aromatherapy in these glass apothecary jars. I love these. These are amazing. $3.95 on these. This is a total stock up event for the holidays. Should include the men's body cream. The men don't have the lotion. So the $4.95 on the cream is still a good deal on the men's care. So as I get more information about the sale, I will be sharing it. This is going to be a big stock up event for a lot of people though. Great Christmas shopping event. So anyway, now I want to talk about the Jolly Gingerbread Village. I did like a first impression of this a couple weeks ago. We've been talking about it as we go along. So Jolly Gingerbread Village, a lot of people were really excited about because we haven't had a nice gingerbread scent in a long time. We used to have the gingerbread swirl one, and then of course we had gingerbread latte, which to me just smells like brown sugar. It's just a brown sugar scent. I like it. Where is it? I don't know where it is. I had it back there. It just smells like brown sugar to me. So it wasn't really a gingerbread. So everyone was like, oh my gosh, is this like a Land of Sweets event? This is going to be good. So then we get it. And it's like, oh my goodness, what is this? So the scent notes are golden gingerbread, vanilla icicles, and Yuletide timber. I've been talking about this timber note like forever. So what they did is they kind of combined gingerbread with some kind of little bit of outdoorsy, but then they like added in, I think they were maybe trying to go for like an aromatherapy scent, but what they got was an odd gingerbread woodsy scent that just kind of smelled a little bit strange. So I'm not exactly sure how I'm still 50-50 on it. So the nice part is when you first spray it on, you do get a little bit of the gingerbread. I'm actually going to pull up some of the reviews because I have heard a lot of mixed feelings about this. Let me just look here. 3 stars, 3 stars. Not a lot of people have reviewed it, like 33 people. So for the most part, light. A lot of people thought they liked the spicy woody scent. One person was like, just do not buy it. Worst scent ever. That's how I felt about the raspberry thumbprint yesterday. I think you're going to have to experience this yourself. It is not a gourmand gingerbread scent by any means. It's not. It's definitely more of an outdoor woodsy scent that they added a little bit of gingerbread in, which was weird. I don't really know why they did this, but especially in the dry down, it's a total unisex scent. I'm getting a lot of the woodsiness. I'm getting a little bit of that vanilla icicle, just a touch. It's not like a nice gourmand vanilla. It's like an outdoor vanilla. And then I get like a tiny bit of that golden gingerbread. I mean, I really wanted like a rich gingerbread cookie with vanilla. They could have put caramel in it. I would have taken the caramel. I would have taken a sea salt note, but the timber note, it's just different. That being said, I've heard that a lot of people are enjoying it. One of my girlfriends was like, yeah, I like it. So it's not a putrid scent. I have to say, like the raspberry thumper, which, by the way, thank you so much for commenting. A lot of people said it smelled great. I think I got a dud. I really do. I think I got a total dud. So a lot of people are saying they really like this. So it's not rancid. It's not a bad scent. I feel like it's a misunderstood scent because a lot of people wanted that gourmand foodie gingerbread, and that's not what this is. And I also think maybe it's a little bit confusing with the name and the imagery. So remember when we had the violet one, what the heck was that one called? With the honeysuckle peach tea and the champagne sprinkles. Of course, I can't remember the one I need to remember. And it had like an ice cream inside like a waffle cone, and everyone's like, oh, it's gonna be ice cream, and it was like floral. So I think imagery has a lot to do with it. So, I mean, there's a gingerbread house on here. It looks like a cookie. It looks like it should be a straight on gourmand scent, and it's not. I think a better name for this would have been gingerbread timber, gingerbread cabin, something. I mean, the village doesn't really connotate the timber note. That makes me think of like, oh, gingerbread village. It's like a cookie. So yeah, that was a little strange. So if you like a more woodsy gingerbread, you're probably going to like this a lot. The shower gel. I've used almost all the shower gel. I have one in the shower. I don't mind the shower gel, actually. It's a little zesty. It's like a wake me up scent. It's got like that woodsy gingerbread thing going on. But I gotta say, I really don't mind it in the shower. I'm like, I bought 2 of them. I'm like, I'm using it. And it does have kind of a festive feel to it. It's kind of funny because there's like a gingerbread man and a mouse. I'm like, it should have been a gingerbread man and like a log cabin, because that's what it is. So here's my recommendation for the Jolly Gingerbread Village. It's so weird to say that because it should be like jolly and gourmand, but it's not. I have 2 of the creams. Try it. If you've been wondering about it, get it during the cream and lotion sale on Saturday for that low price. And if you don't like it, you can always exchange it. But if you're just kind of unsure about it, especially if you're ordering online, I would get it during the sale and see if you like it. Again, it's not putrid. It's not rancid. It's just not gourmand. So this is a confusing one. So anyway, I am holding out for hot cocoa and cream, which we're supposed to be getting. I haven't seen it yet, by the way. Thank you, Chris. This guy shops. I think I saw strawberry pound cake from you that's coming. This was I don't know, year or 2 ago. I'm excited about strawberry pound cake coming back. I always love that. And we're going to be getting, maybe 'tis the season? I don't know. So there's more stuff coming in. Body Care Day, we usually see a lot more stuff. But I will have my tips for shopping the body lotion and cream sale coming up. And of course, I'm going to do a big haul. So I'm excited for that. So anyway, let me know if you changed your mind on Jolly Gingerbread Village. It's timber. Like, what is it? That's what it is. It is what it is. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys later. Bye bye.